Ask me how I am, I'll tell you I'm fine. I'll smile, I'll laugh, we'll have a good time. Tell jokes and stories you'll never see, the pain, the darkness that envelops me. I've had lots of practice at hiding what's inside. It's almost like a part of me totally died. Maybe because when I was only 4 years is the first I remember being spanked for my tears. Men shouldn't cry is what I was told. No more being babied, for that you're too old. The tears were because my cheek was missing a dime of its skin. Another $50 was gone from my chin. From that time on, the tears didn't come. No matter what happened, I'd always keep mum. Despite all the torment I went through at school. No matter who bullied me, no matter how cruel. The horrors at home no more could invoke any outward expression. Nothing ever of my turmoil spoke. I was labeled hard, rebellious, and wicked. I was just trying to survive all that life had inflicted. My grandfather died when I was 6 months past 7. It was just before Christmas when he gave in to depression. I remember my sisters all crying out loud. Not a tear did I shed, not then and not now. I didn't know how. I'd forgotten, you see. By conditioning, it had been completely driven from me. I miss him still. Not a day since has been devoid of thoughts and memories of him. I've kind of meandered about things long ago, but perhaps it's the present about which you should know. I still hide a lot, more than anyone can tell. I internalize the pain, act like everything's swell. I claim your opinion means nothing to me. I laugh at your insults. I hide completely. My longing for acceptance, for welcome, for friends. My fear of weakness, those desires transcends. I don't make a choice not to show how I feel. My emotions are trapped in a cage made of steel. I don't have the key. I don't know how to show the stuff that's inside, things that you'll never know. There are days when all that I want is to die. I'm just sick of living this perpetual lie. So think when another you are about to attack. Even in jest, words can someone's heart rack. I don't ask you to pity or even understand. I don't need anyone to come hold my hand. Just let my story make you stop and inspect your motives for why someone you reject. Think of the pain you might never see, pain they can't show, from which they'll never be free. Don't tell them Jesus will heal if you believe. That feels like you mean that they are deceived. Because if Jesus will heal those who believe, then we who have this pain, we must be deceived. Because I thought I trusted, I thought I was saved, but the pain was still there, the barriers unscathed. So your promise of fixes is actually just a subtle attack as you judge how much I trust. I guess I'm not Christian enough to have earned this cure. What, I need to fast, pray, go to church more? I have little doubt that you never have gone as long without food as what I have done. In my search for answers, in my quest for release, I've fasted, I've prayed, I've begged God for peace. Some Christians have cancer and some hepatitis. Some have diabetes and some arthritis. Yet you don't tell them Jesus will heal. I guess those diseases aren't sin or mine isn't real. I don't have physical symptoms, so it's all in my head. The days when I can't seem to get out of bed, when everything's dark, when I just want to hide. But I still smile and laugh, never show what's inside.